Showing and hiding relationships. So when we have different assembly components, we can see those relationships. So the first thing we want to do is come up to relationship panel and go to show and click on it and click on the object. When I click on the object, it will show then the relationship. If I hover over it, it'll actually highlight that relationship and give me the name of the relationship and the different parts and all the information about that relationship. Now, once it'll move away from it, it will stay there as a little glyph or icon. And if I want to get rid of that, I can come up and say hide all. And when I hide it, all those relationships will then hide or not be visible. So these are kind of handy at times when you're trying to figure out what kind of relationships do I have. So I just go up to show and I pick on it and see I'm picking on this one, and there we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a cylindrical joint. So it, and also I can as well right click on it and I can say edit, and it'll take me right to that particular relationship. In this case it's a joint, but it could be a constraint as well type thing, and I can make changes from there. So showing and hiding relationships are used in assemblies to see the different joints or constraints.